Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you what I am cooking. Right now I'm cleaning all the vegetables because clean vegetables is better than dirty vegetables when you cook. I chopped these onions into little bitty pieces so I can saute them. Also, don't forget medium heat. Right here I sauteed the onions, the celery, the tomatoes, and I believe, oh, yes, that's all for right now because I wanted to saute this one into the pieces so I can create like a small little sauce for the soup. For my protein, I used this tofu. It was actually pretty good. At this point, I took all the chopped tofu and the jalapenos, which I didn't show that I cooked it, but I am cooking it. I did chop it. I took rosemary from my own garden, dried it up, and I put it in there. That is chopped. I already had chopped zucchini on the side from my own garden to put in there. I am using red peppers for the thermogenic part because I want it to be extra hot so I can feel like my body's on fire. I put black pepper just for good measure. I used no salt. It's like this no salt alternative, sodium free. It's actually tastes like regular salt. It's best for people who have, just high sodium problems. I stir all of the ingredients together really well before I start adding the water in. And for the jar that I used was the same jar that I had the zucchini in, and it was 24 ounces, I believe. So I would say possibly if you convert 24 ounces to 8, that's 3. So I did that 2 times for 6 cups. I added shredded carrots at the top because they were already done, and I wanted to stir that in at the last possible moment. I also stirred this in the last possible moment, but I smacked it so hard. I would say I probably had this stewing for maybe an hour and 20 minutes or so because I wanted to make sure everything was marinated together and it tastes good. And that is my sous chef Nali. She always likes to be by me while I'm cooking because she thinks she's gonna get something, but she's not. And I'm just stirring it for a while. I think I left it going. I think I turned it off and then I just let it sit for about 5 more minutes just so it could get married together. I can't forget the hot sauce. I added about, I would say, a couple of shakes of hot sauce, just so it could be extra spicy. I was working at the time, so I forgot to show myself demolishing this, but it took no time for me to demolish this, and it was super tasty. So try it out.